सांगितलं तिने.
Hello everyone, myself Mr. M.J. Gave, Assistant Professor and Department of Botany, KLMS Parisata. Today we will be discussing about DNA. So long form of DNA is the deoxynucleic acid. Deoxynucleic acid basically is the long form of DNA. And when you thinking about RNA, ribonucleic acid. Now we will be study about in this lecture will be studying about the structure of DNA, what are the composition of DNA, how many types of bonds are present in a DNA, nucleotide are present in a DNA. So now I am going to the DNA are made by the basically what are the composition of DNA. So basically again we have the questions why this genetic DNA is commonly called as the genetic material. Before composition will be discussed why this DNA we can commonly call as genetic material, because of this DNA are present inside the nucleus, and after fertilization this DNA transfer into the basically another cell, or you can say this information which is present in a basically every living organism that transfer from the one organism to another organism. That's why DNA is commonly called as the genetic material. Why RNA is commonly called as the why RNA not commonly called as the genetic material? Because of RNA are the single stranded and DNA are the double stranded. Now we are moving to the what are the composition of DNA. So DNA are made by the nitrogen bases and bond sugars. These are the three components of DNA. These are the structure of DNA. In this DNA, sugar are present. That is called as basically pentose type of sugar are present, and these are the basically nitrogen bases, and these nitrogen bases are connected by the bond. So these three important components which is present in the DNA. Now will be discussed on the one by one. So number one are nitrogen bases. So nitrogen bases means in the DNA purine are present, adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine and pyrimidine. Basically there are two type of nitrogen bases, purines and pyrimides. So in the purine, adenine and guanine, pyrimidine, thymine and cytokine. So these are the nitrogen bases which is present in basically DNA. Now sugars. So here we can say deoxyribose sugars. So these are the structure of sugar having basically 5 carbon are present. So that's why given image we can pentose type of sugar are present in a DNA. And three type of bond are present. Number one are the basically glycosidic bond. These are the glycosidic bond. This glycosidic bond are the helpful for attachment of the basically two sugars. These two sugars are attached by the bond called as the glycosidic bond. So number one are the glycosidic bond which is present between the two sugars. Now a second bond is the hydrogen bond which is present between two nucleotides. So these are the one nucleotides and this is the second nucleotide. These two nucleotides are joining by the bond called as the hydrogen bond. Another type of bond called as the phosphodiester bond is the strongest bond which is present in a DNA. Why strongest bond? Because of here basically here negative charge are present. And that's why we can say strongest bond we cannot easily break. So three type of bonds we can learn in this topic, in this lecture. Number one is the composition of basically nitrogen bases, another is the sugars, and three type of bonds are present: hydrogen bond, glycosidic and phosphodiester bond are present. So these are basically structure of DNA. We know this DNA are the double stranded. So who discovered the DNA structure? Basically Watson and Crick, two scientists discovered the DNA structure. And how this discovery of DNA structure? Basically Watson and Crick, this model are prepared in a lab, and after this model are present in an international conference which is basically organized in basically world levels, and there this information are present, or this model are present in the front of peoples. So peoples accept this information, and in this way later on this in a biological system this model are accepted. So this is the small discovery about DNA. So in this lecture we will discuss on the long form of DNA, history of DNA and composition of DNA basically.